Kerala is very advanced in all the fields of education and also the health field. We are proud of our achievements in education and health. But today we all heard that Kerala is very backward in occupational therapy field. We admit, and our finance minister is here, our minister for social welfare, Dr. Munir is here. Definitely, I will assure you, we will take urgent steps to rectify that thing, and we will do our best. And we will do our best to start the courses in this area. And we are thankful to you because of this conference. We are very much aware of the situation, and we will do our best. Thank you.
The medical profession, which provides suitable health care to a disabled person to do a particular work. In other words, to bring back a disabled person to his original life. In other words, to make him suitable for leading a meaningful life as well. I can assure you one thing, the government of Kerala will give you all support for the development of occupational therapy. I think there is no special college or school for occupational therapy in Kerala. Am I not correct? If it is so, if you come forward with a project, we will take necessary steps to help you in that. Let me cut short. I have another conference. This is a seminar. I have to attend a seminar conference in Trivandrum. We have only little time, and we are very happy. I am very happy to have got an occasion to spend some time with you. I wish all the best for the conference. Thank you very much.
Dear friends, you have already been assured about your course in Kerala by our Chief Minister and the Finance Minister. So there is nobody else to question them. So that's the last word. So you have, by this conference, achieved, at least in the state of Kerala, that occupational therapist will be taken care of. And as a man from the medical profession, I feel that occupational therapy is a gifted profession. Bringing back, if somebody have a mental, physical or emotional issues, it will affect his profession, his pastime, and to rehabilitate and bring back him to the occupation is very important nowadays. So you have a long history of 50 years in India when Mrs. Kamala Nimkar started this course in 1949 in the KEM hospital. But the report on civil dispensaries of 1853 also mention about occupational therapy being done in Madras. So with this long history, still 5,000 students coming out every year, we are sorry to say that Kerala has not given much attention to this profession. So I am now dealing with the Social Justice Department. We are coming up with the SID, the Special Initiative for the Disabled. About 40 crores is earmarked for that. Every year you will get 40 crores for that. And the children with autism and children with various other disorders, mental disorders. When a study was done on mental disorders, about 8 to 9% in Calicut, we have seen that 8 to 9% is suffering from various mental disorders. So occupational therapy is very important in the state now at this juncture. We have a composite resource center being allotted by the central government at Calicut. I think they are bringing up this occupational therapy course. They have incorporated into that. Apart from that, the state initiative has to happen. That's what Chief Minister and Finance Minister has assured you. And what, as a social justice minister, I could say that is any number of occupational therapists coming out, we are ready to accommodate them in our department. Because there are a lot of initiatives coming where this occupational therapy is very important as far as Social Justice Department is concerned. With this small assurance, when compared with the assurance given by the Chief Minister and Finance Minister, where you are going to be accommodated as occupational therapist through various courses, this is my humble assurance which I can give you that whoever come out, maximum, I will try to accommodate them in my department. With these few words, I wish you all the best. I hope your visit to Kerala is in all sense a fruitful one, because you have taken an initiative for the whole nation, and this is a humble beginning from our part. Our government will try to help out you in the national scenario also through our influence from the Chief Minister and all, so that a separate council is made for you in future. Thank you very much.